making my Cuisinart 14-cup coffee maker. Doing this, one-handed. Uh-oh. My son says hit the top of this to knock it out, but you know what? I ain't doing that stuff. Dirty trash. There. This is what I do first. I'll have this thing a mess, and I mean it's clean. It's just old. Okay, I might get out of the camera. Put this in here. Make sure it's in the thingy. Of course, try to get this. This does come in handy. It's just annoying sometimes to keep water in. Okay. How about the water? I mean the coffee. It's only less than a cup, and it's been there since 5:15 this morning, and it's 9:23. So let's do that. Right. So I'm doing this one-handed. Fill that up. What I like about this is that you don't have to do the thing to lift it up, lift it up, lift it up. You just pop it off. Okay. Fill. So if you can see, 12, 14, right there. I go up to at least that line. If it goes a little bit above, now I take the lid. Oh, wow. Popped it on. See? That pops off. That pops on. Now I remove my sweetener, my sugar, because I don't do the sugar, I do the sweetener. Take my coffee. Open it. This is just a cheap ice cream scoop we got from Save a Lot, marked down for less than $1. For 18 cups, I do one. Well, that's probably a little bit higher than normal. 2. Well, I gotta close this up. I know this is taking a while, but oh well, right? Good introduction because the other videos I have on here are just ones that I took, I borrowed. Well, I gotta be able to see. If it goes over the side, then I gotta clean it. Because I gotta pull it close to me because the cabinet is a little bit too low. Well, it's not too low, but it's a big coffee pot. Fill. Oh. Okay. I can be fast because this is the only thing right here. Is it doesn't say I have to clean it yet, but maybe I'll make a thing when I do because the red light comes on when I make tea on my other pot. We got 2. Okay. There. If you can see where the fill line is. The fill line is just over the 14. The steam does take it. And then I don't use the bowl. I just hit this. And this says 1 to 4 cups. I don't use that. You still use a bottle of water. That's confusing. So if I want 1 to 4 cups of 4 cups of water, I'll add 5 cups for the 4, and I'll just put in enough coffee in there to make 4. There is a mini scoop here somewhere that goes with it. Okay, so I hit that, and it'll make But yeah, the only time the bowl gets hit is when I do the program before I go to bed at night. Well, sometimes I do it at 8 o'clock if we're not going to have more coffee. Because if I don't, my husband will come by and hit the bowl button when he gets up. So, there we go. And let's see. It's starting to drip. Drip, 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 drip. This is what I put in my coffee while I'm waiting. I just do this. I mean, I'm not affiliated with any brand right now. I put 4 things of, well, it's great value brand, but it's still Splenda. In my cup, just to wait. And yeah, it's an old, I don't wash my spoon all the time.